Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to talk about what is ChatGPT and the ways of using it. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. ChatGPT is a large language model trained by OpenAI. It's designed to understand natural language and generate responses to questions, statements, and prompts that are presented to it. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of text data from the internet, including books, websites, and articles, allowing it to have a broad knowledge base. And how you can use it? You can use it in many ways, like you can answer your questions, you can ask ChatGPT any question, and ChatGPT will do its best to provide a helpful response. I'm going to demonstrate all of them later. So you can generate ideas if you're stuck on a project or you need help coming up with ideas. ChatGPT can provide some inspiration. You can improve your language skills. If you are learning a new language or you want to improve your communication skills, you can practice with ChatGPT. And also you can use it for entertainment purposes such as telling jokes or providing interesting trivia. So let me show you examples on these topics. So first I'm going to ask a question about history. So let's write our question. What's the main cause of American Civil War? And let's hit enter. So here's a brief answer on what caused American Civil War. So I need help with my writing. So I'm going to write down, can you give me a writing prompt? And I'm going to hit enter. And here's our short writing prompt. So let's say we want to practice a new language. So let's write down, can you help me practice my French? And let's hit enter. And finally, let's get some interesting trivia. Can you tell me an interesting fact? And let's hit enter. And here's our interesting fact. And that's what is ChatGPT and how you can use it. I only show you the tip of the iceberg and also gave you an anchor point to start, but you can make experiments with your prompts and questions, but that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.